Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your instructor Dr. Rabia. I hope you all are doing well and spending a quality time with your families. My previous video was about water crystal, in which I have told you what are the water crystals and how you can use these water crystals for the purpose of decoration. This video is about formation of water crystal. Yes, in this video I will tell you that how you can make these water gel, water crystal beads or the water marbles at home. I hope your children would love to play with these water beads when you will make them at home. So let's start with the step-by-step procedure of the formation of water crystal beads at home. For this purpose, you need certain ingredients. These ingredients are not costly and are easily available in our kitchen. So you just have to collect the few ingredients from the kitchen, and by these ingredients you can make the water crystal at home very easily. So the following things you are required. Number 1, you need 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and this baking soda is easily available in our kitchen. The second ingredient you need is vinegar, and the third one is deep freezer. So you need 2 tablespoons of baking soda, vinegar and deep freezers. Now what instructions or the procedure you have to follow for the formation of the water beads at home, let me tell you step by step. So let's start. The first step is the formation of the sodium acetate and how you can form the sodium acetate at home. For the formation of sodium acetate, you need to mix up the 1 teaspoon of baking soda and few drops of vinegar. Yes, for the formation of sodium acetate, you have to combine the 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a few drops of vinegar. Step number 2. After mixing the baking soda and vinegar, you have to spin the mixture in the cup very carefully. So be careful when you mix up the baking soda and vinegar in the cup in a spinning manner. And then you have to add 1 more teaspoon of baking soda and a few more drops of vinegar, and have to repeat the process of mixing again and again for few minutes. The third step is you have to put the sodium acetate into the freezer for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes take it out from the freezer. Step number 4. You have to take a half cup of calcium carbonate and transfer into the sodium acetate in a larger glass or cup. When you will mix up the calcium bicarbonate and the sodium acetate into the larger cup, you will see that the bubble formation will take place. And then keep this mixture to settle down and mix this by moving the glass in the same circular motion. So in the fourth step, you have to mix up the calcium bicarbonate with the sodium acetate in a glass. The bubble formation will take place. When the bubbles settle down, then mix up the mixture in the glass in a circular motion. Step number 5. Now in the mixture of the calcium bicarbonate and the sodium acetate, you have to add the half cup of iodized salt that is easily available in our kitchen, and mix the mixture very well. Step number 6. The mixture containing the iodized salt, sodium acetate, calcium bicarbonate, you have to put this mixture into a pan and boil the mixture for the 7 minutes. Meanwhile, you have to stir the mixture continuously. If you like my video, then press the like button, share, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe to my channel for my further videos. Step number 7. Now put this mixture into the plastic container and let it to sit for 15 minutes. Mean you have to keep this mixture into the plastic container and have to wait for the 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will see that the mixture will convert it into a gel. So it will be a jelly like substance. Step number 8. Put your hand in the mixture that is in the plastic container. Clutch some of the mixture and pull it out of the container. So what you have to do, you have to pull out some of the mixture from that container. What will happen when you will take it out, this mixture from the container? You will see that when this mixture come in contact with the air, it will loses its polarity and then start sticking to itself. So by losing the polarity, the jelly like substance becomes sticky, and this causes it to become small solid water sphere. So when the mixture loses its polarity, it becomes in the shape of solid water sphere. So this is how you can make the water crystal beads or the water gel at home by following these instructions. You need only few ingredients to make these crystals at home. Your children would love to play with these water crystal at home. You can use these water crystals for the purpose of decoration in the parties or in different events. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then share it and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. See you next time with a new video and on a different topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.